the gap between like the top designers out there and me is dramatic. Like I am surrounded on Twitter, people, designers who are way superior than me. And so you have this voracious yearning to grow and to keep developing. And I think a lot of designers don't have that, and they get kind of complacent with where they're at. It's tough, like with all the people that applied, I'm like, I was you at one point, so I want to give you a shot, but you're just not there yet. But generally, most websites suck. That's it.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, everyone just about needs design help, and a lot of them don't even know it.
And that's true. It's like you want to give them honest feedback and guidance, some tough love, but you also don't want to hurt them so that it kills their desire to pursue it at all, which it could have been a great designer. Yeah, like everybody sucks at first, and then you eventually suck less, and then maybe you get to become really good.